Good evening everyone, 10th June 2022, and just a quick update just to follow on from the update uploaded a couple of days ago. Had a bit of significant movement in the New York session overnight, the night of the 9th, and you can see here, go to the daily chart, we were watching, because price was staying in this range, we were watching to see if price would continue up to these retracement areas, zones. However, yesterday we had a significant move to the downside, broke this one level, level 1, significant zone I'm watching. So now will it follow through, break level 2. The trend still, remember, is currently overall bearish, lower highs, lower lows. So still bearish, and that was a significant move lower yesterday. This is the Dow. You can see minus 194% for the day, which is pretty significant movement in a big index. So as I said, wave 3 of 3, this was wave 2, A, B, C, complete. Wave 3 of 3, with wave 1 of 3 being the beginning. So referring to Elliott wave theory, basically there's 5 waves in the direction of the overall trend in wave 1, 3 and 5, and because this is the start of wave 3, you'd have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that's wave 3, and then we'll be looking for a pullback in wave 4. So moving on to the S&P, bit of a bigger drop in the S&P. You can see it broke this level 1 zone, level 2 level I was watching at 4017, or rather sorry, 402174. Broke and closed that, so we could have a continuation tonight, breaking level 3, and then previous lows. And if we get to there, most likely, because it's still overall bearish bias, we will break this low. And I'm watching a couple of levels, which we'll go over tonight. 3500, which you can see is 0.5 Fibonacci retracement on this wave 5, the monthly, and we could see it go lower, but this is my first sort of target for wave 3 at this point. So any other significant changes, I will provide another update. Nasdaq, much the same. See, moving in this sideways range, failed to break higher retracement levels that I was looking for other potential areas where it can reverse, continue the trend lower. Significant movement lower last night, breaking the first zone we have, so we'll continue and break level 2 in the previous all-time low, or the most recent. If it does, similar to S&P, watching 0.618 Fibonacci retracement on this. The Nasdaq has fallen the most of this year comparative to, or compared to the Dow Jones and the S&P. If we just have a quick look, you can see from the very top to the bottom, 17% on the Dow. S&P, we had almost 21%. Nasdaq, we went over this the other day, do it again, over 30%, so 10% difference. And keep in mind that tech does not do well in a rising rate environment. quick look at the futures, much the same, because this is 24.5. You can see significant movement lower. Today we've come down, now we've just come up briefly. We zoom into intradays, you can see hourly chart. This is this level it was holding above. This is the range. It was there for so 10 days before we had this significant movement to the downside, breaking this clear support level, or I guess low, 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 new lower low. So will we see a pullback in the New York session or as we enter it, and then continue in the early morning, closing out the week lower down here. That's what I'm looking for. So will we break level 2 and continue down around and close the week out down around here, which will set up an interesting week starting next week. So quick look at yields. You can see sitting just here where we continue to break these previous daily highs overnight. Volatility index had a jump yesterday, it's up a bit today. Anyway, that's all I wanted to update you. Significant moves on the Dow, S&P and Nasdaq. Oh, and one we forgot to go through was the Russell. It was also, this is small caps, which has been leading this overall bearish movement. Started back in November, while the others started January. You can see here, pulled back into this retracement zone. Now it's continuing, breaking level 1. We're watching, will it continue level 2, level 3, and through level 4, previous lows. Overall target at this point is 1536, which lines up with 0.618 retracement on this wave 5 on the monthly. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, guys. Expecting further bearish momentum. Bit of a pullback first few hours, and then 2 AM to 6 AM Sydney time, or even the last couple of hours in the session where we get the big movements, because wave 3 of 3, remember, it's the most powerful and strongest wave in the Elliott wave count. Anyway, take care, until next time, see you.